Now let's solve this one. 34, question number D. Study the climatic data given below and answer the questions that follow. See here, it's a months given there, January to December. Temperature, it's given in degrees Celsius, and rainfall is in centimeter. Now see this in this temperature. If you see the highest temperature recorded is 36.2. Yes, that is in which month? June. 36.2, right? And the lowest is I think it's a January, 12.0, right? So 12.0 is the lowest temperature recorded. Rainfall, it's in June. Maximum rainfall is in September, occurs in September. August, it's a 27.2 centimeter. Heaviest rainfall in that month. And the list is March, no rainfall, 0. Okay, let's start the exercises. First question is, what is the annual range of temperature of the station? So here, as I told you, the maximum temperature recorded is how much? 36.2 degrees Celsius. That is in June, right? And the lowest is January, 12. So if you subtract this 12.0 from 36.2, then how much will be the answer? 36.2 minus 12.0. So the answer will be 4. 36.2. 24.2 degrees Celsius. So this 24.2 degrees Celsius is your annual range of temperature of this station, right? This station. And this 24.2 degrees Celsius is must. Now see in this, what is the total annual rainfall experienced by the station? So as I told you, what you have to do in this, so you need to add all the 12 months rainfall, right? So you all are going to add these 12 months rainfall, and whatever the answer, whatever the total is coming out with centimeter, in centimeter, should be in centimeter, right? So that will be your total annual rainfall experienced by the station. Now let's do the third part. Why would it be correct to presume that the station lies in the interior and not on the coast? So interior means what? Interior means extreme climate, and coastal means equable climate. So what the question is asking, why it be correct to presume that the station lies in the interior part, means why the station has extreme climate, why not equable climate? So the answer is, see here, the reason is we know that in the first part we have taken out this annual range of temperature, that is 24.2 degrees Celsius, which is quite high, right? So this annual range of temperature is very high. That is why from this we can say, or we can presume that the station lies in the interior, not on the coast, right? Okay. Okay, children, let's discuss question number 33D part. Study the climatic data of station X given below and answer the questions that follow. See, months given there, 12 months, and 12 months temperature, it's given in degrees Celsius. Also rainfall in it's given there in centimeter, right? So the first question is calculate the total annual rainfall experienced by the station. So here you are going to add all the 12 months rainfall recorded, right? And the answer, the total should be in what? Centimeter, right? Rainfall should be in centimeter. Unit is must. What is the second question is, what is the annual range of temperature? So annual range of temperature means maximum temperature recorded minus minimum. So 32.5 is the highest maximum temperature recorded here, if I'm not wrong, right? And this one 32.5 degrees Celsius, and the lowest is minimum temperature recorded is 24.5. Yes, 24.5. So 24.5, you are going to subtract this 24.5 degrees Celsius from this 32.5 degrees Celsius. So whatever the answer is coming out should be in degrees Celsius, and that will be your annual range of temperature, right? Now the third one is, on which coast of India does the station lie? Give a reason for your answer, right? Children, this third question, on which coast of India does the station lie? This is very, very interesting question. And for this question, I think you need a very good concept of mapping, map work, right? So I want every children, they are doing this question themselves, right? So this is your homework, question number 32 D part and 33 D part, right? Question number 32 D part, study the climatic data one, and question number 33 D part. All the three questions, right? And in the next video, we'll discuss the answers. Same with the this question also, children. Question number 32 D part. See, this one. Does the station have a maritime or a continental climate? So maritime means equable and continental means extreme. So in this also you are going to answer this question like that only with, which I told you, which I taught you earlier, right? Okay, so this much for today. We'll continue with the same chapter in the next video. Thank you.